passive voice.
voice.
Active and passive voice is a grammatical concept to shows the relationship between subject and verb. Subject and then in the active voice, active the subject is doing the action. Subject is doer of the action. It is called the active voice. Then the passive voice, the subject is receiving the action. That is called the passive voice. The subject is receiving the action. That is called the passive voice. For example, he writes a letter. In this sentence, this is called active voice because the subject he is doing something. What he is doing, he is writing. So the sentence is active voice. Then a letter is written by him. In this, it's a passive voice. In this sentence, the subject him is receiving the action, so it is called a passive voice. Okay, we have to follow certain rules for active and passive. The rules. The rule number 1: active voice subject change to passive voice object. Then according to the subject we can use V form verb. Then third one, past participle verb, V3 verb we have to use. Then preposition by use. Then active voice object change to passive voice subject. These are the basic rules of active and passive voice. The first one, active voice subject change to passive voice object. Second one, according to the subject V form verb. V form verb is called the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is used. Then past participle verb, V3 verb. Past participle verb is used. Then fourth one, preposition by. Preposition by, introduce. And last one, active voice object. Active voice object change to passive voice subject. Okay, now we are going to see some examples. A mango. It's active voice. We have to change the passive form. Before that, we have to identify the subject, verb, and the object. The first rule: active voice subject change to passive voice object. So, see, it is a active voice. The subject I is then according to the subject we have to use be for verb. Mango is a subject, so we have to use is. Then third one, past participle verb, V3 verb. Eaten, then preposition by last one, activized object change to passivized subject. A mango is eaten by